Did you get all your shopping done?
Okay, you're going straight to jail.
What are you doing?
Yes, I was talking to you. Can I just tell you that you were...
So, I got a new hairstylist. He's out working.
Can I yawn, please?
My hand and smiling. Oh, he just gave my hand such a big hug.
Okay. If anyone wants to know how it's going with Tofu, that's how it's going with Tofu.
I'm married, sir. Oh, I won't see a thing.
100 years.